Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I am here with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge Series day number 6, and this is layout number 6. For inspiration this go around, I am using the Cut Up class or Cut Up series that RTS did over on her Patreon channel. If you're interested, you can find out all the information over on Patreon. Just go put Patreon and then RTS scrapbooking over there, and for $1 a month you get all the inspiration. You get access to all of her files that you can watch all of her videos, and I think she's got on Patreon itself like over 500 because she's been over there for the last 2.5 or 3 years. Anywho, so today is a 2-page layout, and I have started with a boatload of photos. I have 8 photos here, and so I'm going to use them in the 4x6 format. I don't think I'm going to cut anything down. I might, but I'm not 100% certain on that. As far as paper goes, what originally was in the cut apart were the 2 background pages, which I pulled in those Jelly Bean Soup craft pages that I have that have the red and white and pink chevron on one side, but I bought them for the craft background. And then these are the cut aparts. This one full sheet of 12x12 paper that I cut down. So if you want to see the original piece of paper, and I think this was an SEI, but you can go to my Counterfeit Kit Challenge playlist and find the May 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge, and you will see the inspiration kit as well as all the papers there. So as far as embellishments go, I pulled in a couple of different embellishments from the SEI packet that I added in. So I have those in case I want to use those. But I also have my washi tape just right here. I have the 4 rolls if I want to use any of that. I don't plan to use it, but you never know. I pulled in some different shapes that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. I have these cameras that I had cut out of a full-size sheet of paper years ago, and I am down to, I think I probably have these and maybe 2 or 3 more. I have a chipboard piece there. I have those pieces. I have a little border strip, and I have a 4x6 card. That's a piece from, I don't know, a piece of vellum. Here is my alphabet. Oh, there's another piece that I had previously stamped and fussy cut, and another, and another. So let me move all of that to the side. I have pulled in some chipboard pieces, and you see them all stacked up on here, on this sticker sheet here, and I plan to use, I'm thinking at least 1 of the stickers from here, hopefully more than that, but there are the chipboard pieces that I have pulled in. I've pulled in these labels as well as these labels. I pulled in these stickers and these stickers, and of course these stickers again. I'm going to try and maybe get both of those longer 12x12 pieces used. We'll see. So here's everything I am starting with. Like I said, if you want to see my original kit that I put together, head over to my Counterfeit Kit Challenge playlist on my YouTube channel, and it will be there along with all the layouts that I have created thus far. Anyway guys, give me a second and I'll be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 6. Let me show you what I did not use. Here's some little bits that I had stamped and previously cut out, and so I did not use those, all of them. I mean, I used some of the ones that I had put into my kit. I did not use either of these sticker sets, nor did I use this, and I'm heartbroken about not using that, but you know, I'm going to give it another try. I still have 6 more tries after this one to use it up. I did not use that. That was in my little leftover bin that I added in. These stickers I didn't use either. I'm determined I'm going to get at least 1 more of those used up before I put it back into my stash, but we'll see. As for the things that I did use both my craft background sheets, and these are the offcuts, the branding strips if you will. Those will go into my stash. I did pull in one of these cards, but I ended up pulling the other one that was just like it so that I could cut some partial circles out of these. I'm going to hang on to these only because it says a great day, and I might want to cut that out, fussy cut that. I did use my alphabet. I did use a arrow sticker. I use lots of the arrow stickers from here. And I did use one of the stickers from here, which was right here. And here is the layout that I created. Now remember, this is a 2-page layout. So let me spread it across here. Simple, but done, right? I don't know if I'm going to be able to get those, still have light on it and be able to show you the layout. I might just have to do one page at a time. I'll show you the overview of the two, and then I'll bring like one here, like that. So it's not quite as reflective. So you can see I just did a conglomeration of embellishments at the top. Yeah, there's no rhyme or reason to them. I just added them in because they were fun. Again, at the bottom, same deal. Added them in because they were fun. There's no rhyme or reason. And then at the top is where I put happy birthday. And I went ahead and added that happy that I had previously punched out, those chipboard shapes. And then again here at the bottom, lots of chipboard, lots of random bits and pieces, some buttons I added in. I didn't tell you all that. I did add my button jar in. And I think while this is sitting here and I'm thinking about it, I wanted to put some of these hearts in the middle of those cameras where there is a heart already there. I just want to cover it up with an enamel dot heart to give it a little bit more dimension. There we go. So now you can add those in too. So it is done. Layout number 6, 2-page layout. I will have one more layout after today for my series, but it will not complete this cut apart series that I am doing by following along with RTS over on Patreon. So what I'm going to end up doing is coming back at sometime in July, hopefully, and get these uploaded the 5 after tomorrow. I'll have one more tomorrow to wrap up my series of 7, and then I will have 5 more to complete, and I will post those up in July. Anywho, so if you want to see the other layouts that I have created in this series, make sure head over to my channel, check out the playlist called May 2022, and it will have all the layouts there that have been posted so far, as well as my kit that I initially started with for May 2022, the Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. So anyway, I hope this inspires you guys to get into your stash and play around and have some fun and create some fun stuff, whether it be scrapbooking, card making, or crafting in general. Anyway guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day everyone. Bye-bye.